Hey, what's up, Street Talks? This is Eric from the Eric Street Photography blog. So, I'm super excited to present the new Eric Kim neck strap. So, inspired by Rene Magritte. This is a camera strap, super minimalist packing, and the crimson red Eric Kim signature. And we're going to put it on the Ricoh GR2, my favorite camera for street photography. So, the thing that I love about photography is always having the opportunity to capture the decisive moment. And I've experimented using so many different neck straps, wrist straps, etc. And I'm like thinking to myself, if I could create the perfect camera strap for myself, what would it be? And essentially with lots of different prototyping, we created the Eric Kim neck strap. So to open this up, this beautiful black box, because black is always cooler. Opening it, the first thing that shows up that says, just shoot it. It's pretty much my mantra in photography now, because it gives me a reminder that don't overthink photography, don't overthink life, just shoot it. And on the back of it, there's these nice little tips. And just treat this little note card as something you can just put in your back pocket or keep this in your wallet. When in doubt, click. Shoot a scene 25% more than you think you should. Take 3 steps closer, and also enjoy the process. So just consider this little thing as your memento that you just stick wherever you are. And opening up this, feel the nice presentation. Ooh, beautifully handcrafted, handmade Eric Kim neck strap. So to give you guys a sense of how to unbox this, we want to unknot this little string here, which is beautifully holding this strap together. And I'm going to give you guys an introduction on how you could install it. So, ooh, it's so beautifully packaged and made it all black because everything all black looks way cooler. And the way to install this is quite simple. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you take out the camera strap. This first element here, we're going to take this loop here and put it under the neck strap here. And the reason why I made a neck strap was the neck strap is beneficial because it just makes you think less about always having your camera with you, because you just wear it like a necklace. So it goes through here. We'll take this little loop it through here, and then tighten it like so. Cool. And then what you want to do afterwards is take the other part of the neck strap here, and we're just going to loop this underneath here in the top left corner of the camera. So just gonna keep poking this out until this comes out here. Perfect. And then I'll take the long side of this strap here and then loop it through this part here. Just keep pulling it out, pulling it out. Cool, and you knot it there. Beautiful, so we're almost done. Now, we take this end here, stick it through this buckle here, and we've created lots of different notches, just depending on how long or short you want it. Let's say I just put it to the maximum length. Stick this hole through here, and then loop this through here. And bada bing, bada boom, you got it done. And we also have this little adjustment loop, nicely made, to just keep the strap firm. Alright, so pretty easy, huh? And once I'm done with that, I'll put it around my neck, and I have the beautiful Eric Kim neck strap ready for action. And once again, the reason why we made this strap, we wanted to keep it minimal, and also it's all handmade, and it really has some beautiful details. I love these little almost like shark fin details here. It's all hand stitched, and we used a nice golden stitching color to accentuate the black. And also all of the accent marks are this nice little bronze color here too, which I think is a nice subtle touch which also goes aesthetically beautifully with this strap. And I've been testing this strap for the last maybe year or so, and it's really nice because it almost treats your camera like a fashion object. It's always with you. It's super soft and pliable around the neck, and it's a beautiful strap that the more you use it, it'll have more beautiful patina, it'll wear with you, and it'll fit with the Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi, is that beauty in the imperfections. By the more you use the leather, it'll have your wear marks, and it'll give you the opportunity to have more journeys in your photography and just shoot it.